Hello again everybody. Today we have a Commando lock. It's the Commando Blackout lock, 40mm laminated padlock. It's a 5-pin lock, all security pins apparently. Here's the key with the bitting, doesn't look too bad, and all in fully working order. So we shall give this one a try today. If you give me a minute, I'll get it in the vise and come back. Right, here we go. Still the same lock, still all working. Now I have found with this there is a mixture of spools and serrated in here. And there's a couple of the spools which I think must be quite deep, because a couple of times I found I even have to take the tension off completely and turn the core back to get them to set. So we'll see how it goes today. So number 5. Few clicks there, and here we go, number 4. Actually having to turn the core backwards, and there we go. It needs very light tension. And 2. Something's different, that's better. That was 5 again. Click out of 1. Oh, that was 2. Big full set now. So work out. Everything feels set. Sorry, that was my phone. So right, starts at the back again. There's 5. Feel set 4, 3. There we go. There we go. Got it open. Just number 3 was holding on a bit. And there we go. The American Commando Blackout lock. Thanks for watching. Bye.